when I get together with people and meet them for the first time, it's kind of a back and forth exchange of information. People want to know about me and about my background and my history and how I help people, and I need to know all the things about them that are going to affect the recommendations that I make. As a fiduciary advisor, I'm going to make recommendations possibly on their insurance, on their Medicare if they have it or when they need it, on life insurance potentially, on their investments in the market, if they have a 401k or a current IRA or a current non-qualified investment plan. I can get their statements. I'll bring them back. I will run it through our system. I will identify areas of weakness that potentially can save money on fees. Many people are concerned about, am I paying too much in fees? What are my fees? They don't understand how the mutual funds work, whether it's a class A or B or C mutual fund. So the whole goal is to educate and to let people know, look, this is part of an overall holistic evaluation of where you're at today and where you can be or where you want to be down the road. And that's what makes it such a building block for a long-term successful relationship with a fiduciary advisor, where I am always going to put the best interest of the client forward. And that is an obligation that I have and am super glad that I do.